I'm almost ready for the big off. So let's have a look at some of the stuff I'm growing this year. We'll start with the potatoes. First early variety, Pentland Javelin, a bag of 15 spuds for $1.99. Guess where I got them from? They're called Pentland Javelin because when you plant these out, they grow into really long tubers like that, javelin shaped, that you can use on sports day if you don't have your javelin with you. Only joking, they do just grow into standard sized potatoes. Alright, what else can I show you? I've got a bag, 250 gram bag of Hearst green shaft peas, 225, and a bag of Bunyard Exhibition broad beans. I bought this packet of Liberty Runner beans last year, never got around to using them, so 2021 is going to be their big appearance on the plot. Two types of carrot, sweet candle, and my sugar snacks variety, which I really do like. Two types of beetroot as well, I'm really pushing the boat out. Pablo F1, my old faithful, and what's this jobby here? Beetroot Golden Eye, favoured by James Bond, obviously. Snips up next, a variety I haven't grown before, Countess. We'll see how she does up at the plot. Two packets of sweet peas, we have Scent Infusion and Heirloom Bicolour Mixed. A packet of stirring onions, you can't be without these people, they are fantastic. Garlic, which should probably be up there now, but what are you going to do? Better late than never. I've got a couple of these left over from last year, Honeyboat Squash. Chop them open, scoop the seeds out, and away you go. Have a guess what they are. Lupin seeds. I've done a bit of seed saving, people, from plants up at the plot. So yeah, I'm going to try and grow a few more lupins for the allotment. Talking of seed saving, I've got these, and I can't remember what they're from. They look kind of beanish, so they might be a French climbing bean, maybe. I don't know. I'm just going to plant them up and see what happens. Any idea what that is? An avocado seed. I might have a go, you know, people. I might push the boat out and try and grow an avocado plant. On a more serious note, this is my serious face apparently, I bought some Dahlia Tubers. I did do a video just before Christmas showing you how to overwinter your Dahlia Tubers, which I will link in one of the corners now. But I did have some tubers up at the plot that I never dug up. So just in case those have died, I've got some replacements here. I've bought myself a new propagator. And finally, I like to try something new every year, so I bought some of these. A bag of witch tea grubs. It's actually Oca, O-C-A. It says here, Oca, 5 tubers. If you count those up, there's 6. Anyway, Mary Phillips, one of my subscribers, put me onto these. She's going to have a go at growing these, and so am I. Never tried them before. Every year you should try something new. Anyway, let me give you a little bit of blurb about these bad boys. The Oca. It's a perennial herbaceous plant grown for its tubers. First introduced into Europe in 1830 as a competitor to the potato. You can eat them raw or cooked. In Mexico, it's eaten raw with salt, lemon, hot pepper, and a big pint of tequila. I did make that bit up about the tequila. That's optional. I'm sure I'll be adding to that list as the season goes on. There are a few packets of seeds that I've kept back that I haven't spoken about that no doubt I will show you as the season progresses this year. Right, I think I've bored you enough. I've certainly bored myself. Thank you for tuning in if you have. You are a trooper and I do appreciate it. Anyway, if you've liked this video, please hit the like button, share, subscribe to the channel, but most importantly, please do comment down below. And until the next one, bye for now.